Yeah, I woke up yesterday morning because a lot of times I sleep on my left side. Like, I don't know how I had my face on the pillow. And it's freaking indented where it was so swollen. Like from where I had my face on the pillow. And like, that always hurt me to wake up. I think it's just because of the way I was laying on it. And that's why I couldn't sleep the other night.
Go, move that.
That's just one in that middle thing.
Like, that's probably what those two are.
So we had to skip our
Should be able to skip